Let's check out today this Lincoln Power Mig 215 MPI. The customer brought it and say he cannot, it's not welding. The circuit breaker pops all the time. So let's have a look at that circuit breaker. It sits right there in the back. It says 25 ampere. So this circuit breaker shouldn't pop anything below 25 ampere input current. Okay, let's open it up. Get a clamp on meter. Put it into AC amperage. That's the circuit breaker. AC amperage, and put it right on the circuit breaker so we can measure direct what amperage is going through that breaker. Put the unit on the load bank and let it run for a while with some average output. Okay, the unit is drawing now almost 16 ampere. So the circuit breaker shouldn't pop at 16 ampere at all. Let it run for a while. Pop, there it goes. Okay, it's a defect circuit breaker. It's getting hot and pops way too early. That's a new circuit breaker. You can order it at Lincoln. It's just clicked in. No tools needed. Remove the AC lines. Make sure you unplug the unit. And then break it loose somehow. It's just clicked in. And sometimes you need a bit more force, so just break it out there. Cheapo. There you go. The new one clicks right in place. Just press it in, make sure it sits tight. It's not getting loose. Reconnect the leads. So let's test it. Same way like before, put the clamp on meter direct to the leads. Connect the unit to the load bank. And go. Okay, output works, everything works. The unit's drawing the 16 ampere again. So let's let it run for a while to see, test that circuit breaker. Maybe increase the load a bit, so the machine has to work a bit harder, drawing a bit more current. 19 ampere right now. Okay, but shouldn't still be a problem for this circuit breaker. Should be okay till 25 ampere. Okay, let's let it run for a while. Looks good so far. The other breaker already popped with less ampere earlier. Yeah, this circuit breaker is okay. Okay, fix this machine. Happy customer, can go on welding. Just put the case back on and it's ready to go. Yeah, the case normally should fall in place really easy. Just check all the screw holes that they are lined up. One screw missing. There's always one screw missing. That's it. Ready to go.